Hello students. So in my previous video I have discussed about functions, relation of function, set, okay, various the problems of set, related to set theory, set algebra. Now right now I have to discuss from JEE main topic. Let's come to JEE main exam. The chapter name is series and sequence. Okay, this is the chapter, series and sequence. Now let us come to first the definition of what is a sequence. The definition of a sequence is succession of numbers. Succession of numbers. These are the succession of number. A succession of numbers. A succession of numbers a1, a2, a3, an formed according to some definite rule. This is formed according to some definite rule, or b1, b2, b3, b4, bn, or t1, t2, t2, t3, t3, tn. Okay, this is formed according to some definite rule. So this is called a sequence. Next, the different terms of a sequence are usually denoted by this, like this. This is the different terms that denoted like that. Next, one note there should be. The note is a sequence is said to be finite or infinite according to as it has finite or infinite number of terms. A set is called finite or infinite according to it contain finite term or infinite number of terms. If it contains finite term, then it is called finite sequence. If it is called infinite number of terms, then it is called infinite number of sequence. Suppose we take one example here. Let us take one example: 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay, so and more. So this is a sequence. Now, what is the relation between the terms? There should be a relation between the terms. The relation is, if we add plus 3, if we add 3, we are getting the next term. Okay. Next, we can take another example. Suppose 2, minus 4, 8, minus 16, dot dot dot. Now there should be also a relation between these terms. What are those relation? 2 into minus 2, we are getting 4. Okay. Next, 4 into minus 2, we are getting 8. Next, 8 into minus 2, we are getting minus 16, and so on. Next, come to another sequence, that is 1, there is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, dot 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 is going on. This is called the sequence of prime number. This is called sequence of prime number. The notation of a sequence. Next is notation of a sequence. The notation of a sequence is like that. It can be denoted in between to the second bracket, okay, or curly bracket, whatever you say. That is, a sequence can be denoted by like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot dot dot. There will also be a relation. There is a positive relation. Now this is, we can say, this is the sequence of natural number. This is the sequence of natural number. Next, come to the series. Sequence and series is my chapter. Next, come to series. It is obtained, the series, it is obtained by adding and subtracting the term of a sequence. Okay. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, dot dot dot. Now, if we take this sequence, how we get the series? We are adding all the numbers, that is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. Next, come to progression. What is progression? A progression, it is follow a certain pattern. A progression follow a certain pattern. there are three progression. First is arithmetic, second is geometric, and the third is harmonic progression. Next, let us take one example that you can understand better. Let us take 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, now if we adding this 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus dot dot dot, so this is called, this is the series. Now here if we see the relation between the terms, we see that 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and 5 minus 3 is equal to also is equal to 2. That relation is for, that is second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. That calculated as second term is equal to first plus third by 2. Okay. It is called an arithmetic progression. This progression is called arithmetic progression, or in AP. In AP there should be a relation between the terms like that. That is second term is equal to first plus third plus 2. Means mid term is equal to the pre-term plus post-term by 2. That is the actual main relation. Mid-term is equal to pre-term plus post-term by 2. This is the formula. Okay. Next, it is called the arithmetic progression. Next, come to one more example. 5 3 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 7 dot dot dot. So here also if we take the term 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So in both the terms the difference is same. So this is an arithmetic progression. Now for an arithmetic progression there should be, we have to remember two things. First is the first term, this is called the first term, and the second thing is the common difference. This is the common difference. 2 is the common difference, means if we add 2 to any previous term, we are getting the post term. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So these are the relation. Now formula for nth term of an AP. Nth term, if an AP is given, what is the formula for nth term? What is the formula for nth term of an AP? Finding the nth term of an AP. The formula is very simple. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. A plus n minus 1 into Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us take one example. Suppose we take 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 plus dot dot. Now here a is equal to 5, d is equal to minus 2, and suppose we have to find T20. So n is equal to 20. Now we have put the formula 5 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 2. That is we are getting minus 33. Okay. So this is the formula for finding nth term. Now if you put the value of n is equal to 20, then you should get the 20th term. If we put the value of n is equal to, suppose you are taking T10, if you have to find, then what is the calculation? 5 plus 10 minus 1 into d. D means here minus 2. That is 5 plus 9 minus into minus 2. 5 minus 18 means minus 13. Okay. So this is my nth term, the 10th term. So applying this formula, we are getting the solution, the term. Next, there are some tricks to find whether the series are in AP or not. In AP or not. Step 1. First step 1. Obtain AN, the nth term of a sequence. AN is the nth term of a sequence. Next, step 2. What is step 2? Replace n by n minus 1 in AN. Okay, to get AN minus 1. To get AN minus 1. Next, step 3. What is my step 3? Calculate AN minus 1. If AN minus 1 is independent of n, then the given sequence is in AP, otherwise it is not in AP. Again, we can say that any term Tn can be written as AN plus B, where A is the common difference. Now, there are some more things, that is some more important point. Now, for that more important point, I will come up to some time. Okay. Now, as I stated above earlier, that there would be some important points related to arithmetic progression. The first progression is, if an AP has nth term, then the last term is called the nth term. The last term is called the nth term, and it is denoted by Tn. Okay. If A is the first term and D be the common difference of an AP having m terms, then the nth term from the end is m minus n plus 1th term from the beginning. Okay. Thus, nth term from the end is a plus m minus n into d. Hope you are understanding. If any three numbers are in AP, that can be taken as a minus d, a and a plus d in the form, where a and d is defined in the below. Any four numbers are in AP, that can be taken as a minus twice d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus twice d, where a is my first term of the AP and d is a common difference of that AP. So these are the four important points that we have to remember for solving the maths in arithmetic progression in series and sequence chapter. Okay. Thanks for watching.